United in their fight against drug trafficking, Colombia and the United States cooperated closely, with the latter receiving hundreds of millions of dollars in U.S. military assistance annually. But now that alliance appears be more fragile than ever, the leaders of the two countries may have a similar style, forceful and not prone to mincing their words, but left-wing Gustavo Petro and Donald Trump come from opposing ends of the political spectrum and have clashed frequently since Trump returned to the White House in January. On Sunday, tensions reached their highest point when Trump accused Petro of encouraging drug production in Colombia and announced the suspension of payments and subsidies to the South American country. This came after Petro had in turn accused U.S. officials of murdering a Colombian citizen and violating his country's sovereignty in one of the multiple strikes that the U.S. military has carried out against alleged drug vessels in the Caribbean since early September. BBC Mundo spoke to experts who warned that with the alliance in jeopardy, both Colombia and the U.S. could be at risk of losing out while organized crime groups look set to benefit. Colombia became one of the main beneficiaries of U.S. aid in the early 2000s. With the money going towards Plan Colombia, a U.S.-funded initiative to combat drug trafficking groups, reduce the flow of drugs to the U.S., and strengthen the Colombian security forces, this investment is credited with weakening the FARC guerrilla group, which was at war with the state before officially demobilizing in 2016. Since then, U.S. assistance has been reduced, and has coming under questioning. Despite Colombia's military successes against armed groups, and its recent years of relative stability and security, some analysts doubt whether Plan Colombia truly resolved the drug problem in the long term. Cocaine production is currently at record high levels in Colombia, according to researcher Héctor Galeano from the Colombia-based Institute of Advanced Social and Cultural Studies of Latin America and the Caribbean.